Start with the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Dear students of class 6, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome you in Pakistan International School, TAIF's virtual learning system. Dear students, hope you are fine and doing great and working hard with your studies. Dear students, today we have English lecture number 34, grade 6 and chapter number 12, 8 verbs. Book we have Brighter Grammar and the pages which we will learn today from 27 to 29. And here's your teacher, Sarfraz Nadeem. Dear students, this is lecture number 34. And in last lecture number 33, we completed the guided English books lecture and the lesson 20, the Jekyll and the Partridge. The previous lesson 20 was divided into two lectures, lecture number 32 and 33. 32 lecture we completed our reading and comprehension vocabulary, and in last lecture number 33 we completed our written exercises, useful words and phrases. So now we are here on book Brighter Grammar, and its page is 27, and this is chapter number 12, and it is about 8 verbs. So let's start. Yes, here is, dear students, chapter number 12, 8 verbs. Now, how many students from you are well aware about the adverbs? What is an adverb? Who will help me or who will tell me? Yes, the definition is already written over here. Let's read the definition of an adverb. You know that an adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Again, dear students, an adverb is a word that modifies a verb. Not only adverb modifies a verb, but it also modifies an adjective, and also it modifies another adverb as well. So adverb, sometimes many students are answering the question that if a question is there, what is an adverb? They tell that, sir, an adverb is a word which tells more about verb or which modifies a verb. But adverb not only modifies only verb, but it also modifies to adjective and another adverb as well. Have a look over here. Here in these three sentences, you will get that an adverb modifies verb, adjective, and adverb. In the first sentence, dear students, we have a sentence, read slowly. Read slowly. Now over here, dear students, the first word read is verb and slowly is an adverb. Now this slowly is going to modify this verb read. Read slowly. So the slowly is telling more about how he reads slowly. So adverb is modifying verb in sentence number 1. In sentence number 2, this is too sweet. So here, too is an adjective. Is an adjective, and it is modifying the, yes. So here this is too sweet. Too is an adverb, and it modifies to, dear students, here too is an adjective and it modifies the word sweet. So sweet is an adjective. Understand, dear students? Here in the first sentence, slowly about the verb read, and here too is modifying to sweet an adjective. And we always put adverb before the adjective. Number three, he works very hard. He works very hard. Here, very is an adverb, and hard is also adverb. So, adverb is modifying another adverb. In these three sentences, you got the meaning from the definition. Is the definition is an adverb is a word that modifies a verb here in the sentence number one, an adjective in sentence number two, and or another adverb in sentence number three. So slowly, to, very, these all three are the adverbs in red color, but they are modifying verb, adjective, and an adverb. Now, hope so you understand, dear students, what is an adverb, what is the function of an adverb, and not only it tells more about the verb only, but it also modifies or tells about an adjective and also an adverb. Now we have adverbs are of three kinds. How many kinds of adverbs are there, dear students? Three. Number one, simple adverbs. Number two, interrogative adverbs. Number three, relative or conjunctive adverbs. Simple adverbs, interrogative adverbs, and number three, relative or conjunctive adverbs. So have a look to these adverbs one by one. Now, number one, simple adverbs. Now, dear students, when we are talking about the simple adverbs, it doesn't mean that the only simple adverb, it has many kinds of adverbs, like adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of number, adverbs of manner, adverbs of quantity. Now it means that five adverbs are coming in of one kind, and that is called simple adverbs. And now, when we are talking about number one, adverbs of time, they have many kinds, like now, soon. Okay, he will reach soon. Soon is adverb. Now you will understand the actual meaning. Now, so now, soon, both are the adverb of time. Adverbs of place, here, below, these are called adverbs of place. Here, there. Number three, adverbs of number. Once, twice, thrice. Okay. Adverbs of manner. Ill, badly, like this. Adverbs of quantity. Little, almost, less. These are the adverbs of quantity. So, when we learn about adverbs, there are three kinds: simple adverbs, interrogative adverbs, relative or conjunctive adverbs. And simple adverbs, they are adverbs of time, place, number, manner, and quantity. And all they have like this: now, soon is adverb of time, here and below is adverb of place, once, twice, adverb of number, ill, badly is adverb of manner, and little, almost is adverb of quantity. Now we are here, dear students, number two, adverb of interrogative adverbs on page number 27. Which adverb? Interrogative. Now, interrogative, dear students, you know very well. Interrogative means sometimes it is used like to ask question. Interrogative means like question. Now, adverb of time is so same in interrogative. Adverb of place is also an interrogative. Adverb of number, adverb of manner, adverb of reason, and also extra quantity and degree. Now have a look. Now time, what kind of adverbs are used in interrogative adverb to show the time? Like, when does he sleep? When does he sleep means it asks about the time. When does he sleep? He sleeps at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. So means the word when is an adverb of time, but it is called interrogative adverb. Number two is place of interrogative. Where do you live? I live in Taif. I live in Karachi. So we say where. The word where is adverb of place and it comes in the kind interrogative adverbs. Number three, number. Number, how often does he come here? How often does he come here means twice, thrice. So like this is also adverb of number. It comes in interrogative, how, H-O-W. And manner, how did you come here? How is also here in manner. How did you come here? So how is also coming in manner. Number five, reason. Why did you do it? Now this is adverb of reason. Why did you do it? Give me reason, just like because I did it because I was busy. Yes, anything else. So the person is asking, why did you? Why the word why is interrogative adverb and it is asking for the reason. It is used for the reason. And number six, quantity or degree. Quantity or degree. How quantity, how small is the boat or how long is the journey? So how small is the boat? It is too small. So or how long is the journey? It is too long journey. So both can be used in quantity or degree. Number three, we have relative adverbs. What? Relative adverbs. Now this is third kind of the adverb, dear students. Yes, so relative adverbs. These have a dual function, dear students. Relative adverbs works dual function. Dual means two function. They modify words and connect sentences. Not only they modify the words, but also they connect the sentence with each other. Read the following sentence in the example. Number one, dear students, I came when it was dates. Number two, I will go where you send me. Number three, I will do as you advise me. Now here, three words are in red. When, where, is. These all are relative adverbs. Why relative? Because they show the relationship between these two sentences. I came and it was this. These are two sentences. You can see two sentences and two verbs are used. Came, was, will go, sent, I will do, advise. So when two verbs are used means it is a these are two sentences and they are joined with this conjunction just type of they are connection. So here these adverbs are not only modifying the words but also they connect the sentence. So these are two sentences and connected with the relative adverb. Now number one sentence I came and number two is it was dates. Now both sentences are connected with the relative adverb when. I came when it was dates. Yeah, number two, I will go where you send me. So now where, when, is, these three are the relative adverbs and they have two functions. Number one, to modify and number two, connect the sentence. Hope so, dear students, you understood the kinds. Number, I am going to repeat the kinds again. So here you can see that simple adverbs. Number two, interrogative adverbs. Number three, relative adverbs. Now we have exercise number 25. What we have to do, let's see, choose the adverbs used in the following sentences and say about each whether it is simple, interrogative, or relative adverb. As I told you, dear students, that we have a three kinds of adverbs, and we have a simple adverbs, interrogative adverbs, and relative adverbs. So now here 15 sentences are given, and what we have to do, we have to find out which adverb is used as a simple interrogative or adverb. First of all, start. Number one, Aslam is very ill today. Aslam is very ill today. So now, who will help me? Where is an adverb here in this sentence, dear students? Who will tell me? Dear students. So, which one is the adverb over here? We are going to underline that. Yes, very is adverb. Yes, Aslam is very ill today. So, very is an adverb over here. And also, ill is also adverb, dear students. Ill is also adverb. Yes. So, both are adverbs. But which adverbs they are? We will write over here. Yes, they are simple. Simple adverb. Number two, we have the stranger was nearly dead. The stranger was nearly dead. So nearly is an adverb, no doubt. So nearly is an adverb. And which adverb this is? Yes, nearly dead. So which one? It is simple. Is it interrogative or relative? So it is simple adverb. You write here simple. Number number three. When do you get up in the morning? When do you get up in the morning? Very easy, dear students. I think it is very easy. Now, which one? When? Very good. Very good. It is an adverb. Very good. Adverb. Okay. Which adverb this is? When do you get up? Very easy. Interrogator. Because asking question. So it is called interrogative adverb. Interrogative. We will write here. Number four. Where are you taking me? Where are you taking me? Here. Where are you taking me? So where is also interrogative adverb, dear students. As I told you right now, it's used for the adverb of place. So interrogative. Interrogative. Yes. And number five, Aslam came when I was sleeping. Aslam came when I was sleeping. Now, dear students, see two sentences are. Number one is Aslam came, and second is I was sleeping. Now, both sentences are connected with the relative adverb, and that is here when. That is when. We will underline this. Yes, here when is underlined. Yes, when. Now, what is when? It is adverb, but which adverb? Definitely relative. Relative adverb. Number six, I shall send him where you like. I shall send him where you like. So, where here, dear students, will be the adverb. Definitely because it is joining the sentence. It is joining the sentence. We say where. Yes. And number seven, should you shout so loudly? So here, should you shout so loudly? So where we have done over here these two, and now we will write that where is also relative adverb. And loudly, should you shout so loudly? It is simple adverb, dear students. Which one? Simple. Many students become this, sir, this is question. Why? This is sentence is a question. But this, the word loudly is an adverb and it is a simple and it is adverb of, yes, adverb loudly. So 7, here we have done the sentences. So dear students, when we are talking about number 8, he came down when I went away. So here the word, which one? This. He came down when. So this is when is an adverb and it shows the connection between two sentences. He came down, I went away. So this is called here relative, relative adverb. Good. And then dear students, we have sentence number 9. This house is very expensive. This house is very expensive. So very is underlined over here. So which is very easy. I think you can tell me if this is simple, simple, simple adverb. And then number 10, I am simply warning you. I am simply warning you. So we will say simply is an adverb and it is also simple adverb. Kind, which kind? Simple. So dear students, now 10 sentences are done. And now how many left? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Only 5 sentences your homework. From 11 to 15 is homework. So you have to do it home. Now, dear students, we are on page number 28 and we have the comparison of the adverbs. What we have? Comparison of adverbs. Many adverbs, like adjectives, have degrees of comparison. Now, dear students, as you know that we have the adjective comparison of adjectives. So same we have comparison in adverbs as well, which are formed the same way as the degrees of adjectives. Adverbs of one syllable from the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est. For example, this hard, it is a positive degree of an adverb. Harder is a comparative degree and hardest is superlative degree. Hard we use in simple sentence, it is an it is a hard task. But we will say this task is harder than other, because when comparative means when two things are compared, and superlative means which the thing which is compared with more than the one. Like it is hardest task I ever achieve, saw, whatever you say, hardest, or fast, faster, fastest, loud, louder, loudest, late, later, and latest. So these are not only the degrees of comparison are in adjectives, but they are also in adverbs as well. So here is the example of these. Now, dear students, we are on page number 29. We have number 2, some adverbs form their comparative and superlative degrees by adding more or most. Same, dear students, in adjective, we use sometimes more and most. Here in adverb as well, we used more and most in superlative form, not in positive, but in comparative and superlative form, like diligently, more diligently, most diligently, happily, more happily, most happily, quickly, more quickly, most quickly, gently, more gently, most gently. Like this, dear students. Number the earliest is we will not use the early, more earlier, most early. No, we will early, earlier, and earliest. Number 3, some adverbs form their comparative and superlative degrees in an irregular way. Now, dear students, what is irregular? Irregular is means which is change. How change? For example, as you heard, hard, harder, hardest. In positive, there is a hard. Comparative, harder means the word same, only we put er, harder. And superlative, hardest, we used est in the last. So they all are regular. They are called regular adverbs: hard, harder, hardest, fast, faster, fastest. But irregular means their three forms are changed, different. Like positive is little, comparative is less, superlative least, positive is well. So what is the comparative of well? Better, best, ill or badly, worse, worse, much, more, most. These all are changed. Look, little, less, least, well, better, best. They are called irregular way, irregular adverbs. Fourth, further, furthest, far, farther, farthest, near, nearer, nearest, or next is also used. Now, dear students, we have kind of homework as well over here. So let's see what is the homework of today's. Dear students, we have a homework. What we have homework today? Homework is here that you have to solve the exercise number 26. Now, what we have in exercise 26, we have two questions. Number one, give the comparative and the superlative forms of the following adverbs. Now, here the adverbs are given. Now, what you have to do, you have to write comparative and superlative. These all are the positive, like slowly, hard, little, fast, loud. These are the positive forms. Now you have to write the comparative and superlative of the each. For example, I'm going to give you example of one. Now slowly. So this is positive form. What is the comparative form? More slowly. Superlative form, most slowly. Understand? Hard. What is the, this is positive form. What is comparative form? Harder, hardest. Okay. And what about the, this little? Little is positive form. So what is the comparative? Less. What is the superlative of the little? Least. Like this. So I think it is quite easy. Ill. Ill is positive. Now what is the comparative of ill? Yes, who will tell me? Worse. And what is the superlative of the ill? Worst. Like this. So you have to write comparative and superlative forms of the following adverb. Number two is give the positive degree of the following adverbs. What positive degree? Now these are not positive. Now worst. Worst is positive? No, this is superlative. So most is what? Superlative. Yeah, better is what? Which form? Comparative form. Nearest is superlative form. Furthest is superlative form. Later is comparative form. So here comparative and superlative forms are given. You have to write only positive. For example, now the worst, worst is the superlative. So what is the positive form of this worst? Ill. Okay. And what is the later is comparative form? What is the, yes, what is the positive form of later? Who will tell me? Very good. So like this, dear students, you have to write about these. Late. Late is the superlative, yes. And most quickly is the superlative form. What is the positive form? Quickly. Like this. So this is your homework, dear students. Hope so you got my lecture today. And if you have any query, any problem, you can ask me on Zoom meeting just after this lecture. The next lecture, dear students, would be novel Around the World in 80 Days, and we will learn chapter number 13, Passport Out fails to inform his master, on page number 79 to 84, inshallah, in next lecture. This is all about today's lecture, dear students, and thank you for joining. Have a good day. And if you have any query, any problem, once again, you can come on Zoom just after this lecture. Till that, Allah Hafiz.